Let's now find the product of these two complex numbers. We are given that z1 equals root 2 times of cos 55 plus I sine 55. So this can be written in short form as the modulus of this complex number is root 2. Then we put this cos 45 plus I sine 45 in short form as cis of the angle, which is the 55. And similarly, we can write down the second complex number z2. The magnitude or the modulus is 3 root 2 times cis of the angle is 45. So we are going to follow this definition of complex numbers to find the product as well as the quotient. So if Z1 equals R1 cis theta 1 and Z2 equals R2 cis theta 2, then the product is Z1 Z2 equals the product of the modulus multiplied with cis of the sum of the angles, that is theta 1 plus theta 2. So let's find the product first. So I write down Z1 Z2 equals, we have to multiply the modulus, that is we have the modulus R1 equal to root 2 and R2 equal to 3 times of root 2. So when we follow this rule, we have to multiply this modulus, that is root 2 times of 3 root 2. We then put cis of the sum of the angles, that is 55 plus 45. So we write down 55 degrees plus 45 degrees. We can simplify this. So this equals root 2 times of root 2 is 2 and 3 times of 2 is 6. So basically the modulus of the product is 6, and then we put this is of 55 plus 45 is 100 degree. So we can write down this in expanded form. So basically this complex number is 6 times of cos of 100 degree plus I sine 100 degree. So this is the product of these two complex numbers. We will now determine the quotient of these two complex numbers. So I'm going to follow this second part, which says that z1 by z2 equals r1 by r2. So for our problem, z1 by z2 equal to, I have to divide the modulus. So root 2 is r1 divided by 3 root 2 is r2, and then multiplied with cis of theta 1 minus theta 2. 55 degree is theta 1 minus 45 degree is theta 2. So this becomes cis of 55 minus 45. Now we will simplify this. We see that we can cancel this root 2 and root 2. So therefore this modulus becomes 1 by 3, and then cis of 55 minus 45 is 10 degree. And this is written in expanded form as 1 by 3 is a modulus cos 10 plus I sine 10. So this is the quotient of the complex numbers C1 and Z2.